Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make eggs quick. First, let's master scrambled eggs. Whisk 2 or 3 eggs with a splash of milk or water for extra fluffiness. Heat 1 tablespoon of butter or oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Pour in the egg mixture and stir gently with a spatula. Cook for about 60 seconds until they are set but still moist. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Next, let's make quick fried eggs. Heat a non-stick pan with a little butter or oil over medium-low heat. Carefully crack 1 or 2 eggs directly into the pan. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes for a perfectly runny yolk. If you prefer a firmer yolk, cover the pan for about 1 minute to steam the tops. A sprinkle of salt and pepper enhances the flavor. For a super-fast poached egg, the microwave is your friend. Fill a microwave-safe bowl with 1/2 cup of water and a dash of vinegar. Gently crack 1 egg into the water, making sure it is fully submerged. Microwave on high for 60 to 90 seconds until the egg white is set but the yolk remains soft. Carefully remove with a slotted spoon and enjoy. Finally, a quick omelet. Whisk 2 eggs with a tablespoon of milk and your preferred fillings like cheese or herbs. Pour into a hot, buttered non-stick pan. Cook until the edges are set, then gently fold 1/2 over the other. Slide it onto a plate and serve immediately. Remember to check the description for a link to some great deals, including those amazing darn tough socks. These methods ensure delicious eggs in just minutes, perfect for any meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.